Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the PUBG 90 FPS test on this Realme X2 Pro device. As you can see friends, right now I'm using the Realme X2 Pro device. The Realme X2 Pro has got the 90 Hz refresh rate support, and 90 FPS PUBG update has come a long back ago. I think more than 4 to 5 months of time. The PUBG 90 FPS has been arrived in this phone, but only problem is that the 90 FPS will be only playable under the brightness of 5%. So let's see friends whether the problem got fixed or not. So right now I'm still running the Realme UI 1.0 only. So let me try to quickly open the PUBG game friends. So it is a PUBG game, so which is open right now, and let me try to show you the settings. So what is settings I'm right now I'm using, and is a real-time statistics as well. You can keep on track on the top of the FPS meter. So let me try to quickly go to the settings and show you. So I'm not trying to use any kind of GFX tool during this time of testings. So no GFX tools are used, and right now as you can see friends, you can clearly see the 90 FPS option is available in this phone with the Snapdragon 855 chipset. So let's see friends. So right now I'm trying to start the match, and meanwhile I'll try to show you the real-time statistics, how much I'm getting on the top of the notification panel. And meanwhile, if you're watching first time this channel friends, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to check the links in description for each and every smartphone which I reviewed in my channel. You can find all the links will be available in the description below regarding the Realme UI 2.0 or any other features. So make sure to follow me regularly for so many videos which I'll be uploading every day. So let's get started friends here. So right now as you can see, the game has been begun, and let me try to quickly show you what's happening here, and let me try to show you the real-time FPS meter, how much I will be able to get here. As you can see friends, our real-time FPS meter I was able to get only 50-60 FPS, but when I decrease the brightness, so when I decrease the brightness, then I will be able to get the very 90 FPS is possible in this phone. So let me to quickly show you how the results are. So right now I'm getting the 90 FPS. I know you cannot even see actually the screen, but what I'll try to do is that I'll try to use the screen recording. So let me try to click on the screen recording which is available here. So right now the screen is recording right now friends. So by the time I'm playing, so let me try to record the real-time FPS meter, and again I'll try to show you the video in full brightness. So then you might be able to believe that what is happening. So let me try to move around, and you know that I'm trying to use right now's real-time screen recording only, not any other screen recording. So that is what I'm trying to do, moving around. So everywhere, as you can see here. So let me try to show you friends the real-time screen FPS as well. So let me try to stop the screen recording and show you the video. So I forgot to click on this recording option after clicking this top recording. I thought when you click the recording option on the top, it might be able to record, but it's not the case. So let me try to start recording again friends with the low brightness. So let me try to decrease the brightness to very low so that I will be able to see the real-time FPS. So yes, right now I was able to get the real-time FPS, and let me try to click on the, yes, I clicked on the screen recording right now. So I'm not sure whether you will be able to see this kind of gameplay in this kind of low brightness mode. So that's why I thought of doing this kind of method, so to demonstrate you. So real-time FPS is actually coming about 89, 91 FPS at the moment of I'm playing this game, so without any kind of issues. So still this problem is not yet fixed friends in this phone. So after arriving the 90 FPS option in this phone, it's been, I think as I said, 5 months, and during this time of testing of 5 months, there are a couple of software updates which came in the phone. So here is all the screen recordings which are collected. So right now this is a new screen recording which I did today itself, the screen recording, as you can see friends. So right now I did the screen recording in this phone, in the Realme X2 Pro. So I'll be able to show you the real-time FPS. As you can see, the real-time FPS, you can clearly see it was close to 87 FPS. So I think I did not select the high quality of the screen recording, so that's why you're seeing this kind of blurry images. But overall, the 90 FPS is actually possible in this phone, but only there is a problem, small bug is going on in this Realme X2 Pro, where you may not be able to play in 90 FPS in the full brightness. So that's so weird friends, because there are so many other smartphones which are waiting for this kind of 90 FPS update officially, but still this phone has got the 90 FPS update, but still they did not fix this kind of brightness issue in this phone overall, as you can see friends. So that's it, and this is a quick review, and even I did a past videos on this topic as well, where I demonstrated same kind of testings. So every month I'm trying to test this kind of feature, but not once this got solved. As you can see, as soon as I decrease the brightness, so then it started to increase the FPS meter. As you can see, this is a real-time example which I can demonstrate you. So this is what happening in the Realme X2 Pro device particularly. So for more videos on this phone, so make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And in case if you're having any other doubts regarding the Realme X2 Pro, make sure to comment below as well what are your thoughts. So thank you friends for watching this video, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.